It's been 9 months of early mornings and late nights and weekends, but I am out on the water. I made it to test this summer, and this thing is super sweet. Everything is being controlled by the paddle controller right here. So you can see the battery indication there. Then I've got my low speed, medium speed, and high speed. So my low speed is 60% of my max current. My medium speed is 80% of my max current, and my high speed is 90%. I've had dozens of projects in the past where I just give up, or I lose interest, or I bite off more than I can chew. And I'm not saying you should finish every project, but for me, it was important that I finish this one. And when I first started, I made a pact with myself that I would keep iterating and pushing this and make it as cool and as fully featured as I possibly could. I'm excited for what's to come on this. You know, like I said, I haven't reached my goals yet. I'm finally to a point where I can test out some machine learning algorithms and work on paddle assist and steering and all of that. So I'm super excited on what's to come.